Hello kids, Mr. Ag here. I am here to talk to you about your word study work for Friday, October 30th. Today you're going to be sorting the short U and long U sounds using the same format that you've done all week this week. So the short U sound like in this picture cup, is in numerous of these words down here, and the long U word oo or U, the pattern that we're focusing on to make those sounds is a consonant vowel consonant silent E. So when that silent E is at the end of the word, it tells the vowel to say its name, U, or make the sound oo. So it's a little bit tricky because long U does have two sounds. And you'll see as I read the words, we're looking for U and oo for the long U sound and for the short U sound. The words that you're sorting are cube, bus, cut, plus, mule, huge, just, drum, jump, hunt, shut, put, cute, tune, such, club, June, rude, flute, and use. So those are the words you're going to be cutting out and putting into the three groups: the short U, the long U, oo or you, and the words that don't fit go in the oddball category. When you're finished with that, you come to this page 36, say each short and long vowel, like cup, and oo or you, like in tube, and you are going to write on the lines words from the box that have each vowel sound. So you're going to sort them, these words in the box, into these two lists: drum, bus, cube, rude, huge, hunt, jump, flute, June, just, shut, and mule. All right, good luck, do your best, and after you finish this, I hope you have a great weekend.